Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, November 24th. We continue reading from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. Today's essay is titled Pursue the Obstacle. Pursue the obstacle. This will set you free. When I came upon the mountain, I was in a hurry. I thought it would take too long to make my way around, so I set out to break a path through. Each rock and branch felt like a waste of time. If only the mountain weren't in the way. I cut my legs and arms as I rushed along. It grew harder to breathe, and I lost all sense of direction. Now I had to climb high enough to see. Once I broke the tree line, something in me had to see the top. Then I hurried my way up, and strangely, as I worked the climb, step after step, I kept rising, but felt as though I were going nowhere. Finally, I broke the clouds. I had never seen sun on top of the clouds. I sat in a clearing on a cliff, the light on top of my head like a cloud. Suddenly, reaching the top or getting beyond the mountain no longer seemed important. I liked it up here and felt that I could live on the mountain. But I had to return. I had to eat. I needed love. But now, when someone asks about breaking through what's in the way or being in a hurry, I look both ways and say, pursue the obstacle. It will set you free. This story invites us to honor each obstacle as something flowing in its own right in the universal stream. To see ourselves and the obstacle as two limbs of the same tree drifting in the same river, bumping into each other, and even blocking one another for a moment. Looking at obstacles this way, we are asked not to oppose what blocks us as something mounting, for the obstacle will simply give our resistance back to us. Instead, we're being asked not to empower or perpetuate the life of the obstacle, but to step aside, if we can, with openness to the energy of the obstacle itself. Much like the ancient art of Aikido, where instead of blocking a punch, you help the punch move past you. All the while, we're invited to question that in us which insists that what is before us is an obstacle in the first place. It may not be so. It may be so. It may be something small that our history of struggle has enlarged into tragedy or bad luck. So if we can, we must focus on our relationship to the stream and not to the things being carried alongside us. If something appears to be blocking our way, we must try to understand what is moving it and what is moving us. If our movement in the world is still blocked, perhaps we are meant to be still. We must try not to damage ourselves unnecessarily by trying to force movement to happen before it's time. That's really profound. So take a comfortable position and, as always, take a few moments to settle. settling into your heart, your mind, your body, settling into this moment, right here, right now, and reminding yourself that this moment is just right the way it is. There is nothing you need to change about it, nothing you need to fix about it. And by the same token, you are just right. There is nothing you need to fix about yourself right now. It's all good. See if this reminder helps you enter a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. And see if you can rest in this simplicity of being with just a few breaths. Now take a moment to identify the biggest obstacle in your life at this moment, present. What is it? And what is it keeping you from? See if you can describe the obstacle as a piece of nature that has its own history. Is it like a shell being broken by the surf, or a stone tumbling in a landslide, or like a small deer frightened in the middle of a busy road? Maybe you have your own image. And now reflect on how is what you want or need colliding with what this quote unquote obstacle wants or needs. Is it even an obstacle after all? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural. And now, as always, gently let go of your practice and notice what's going on for you, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What is an obstacle in your life? Is it even an obstacle, and how you can approach it so that everything flows nicely? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.